What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I am a student.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 2 years now. Yes, I've been married for 2 years now.
Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English?
I love learning new languages. I love learning new languages.
How did you learn English? How did you learn English?
I took classes for 3 years. I took classes for 3 years.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time. I don't have any free time.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
It's pouring, take an umbrella. It's pouring, take an umbrella.
What time is it? What time is it?
Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
No, thanks. I'm just browsing. No, thanks. I'm just browsing.
How's it going? How's it going?
Great, couldn't be better. Great, couldn't be better.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
A little depressed. A little depressed.
How was your day? How was your day?
Very productive. Very productive.
Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie?
It was fantastic. It was fantastic.
How was the party? How was the party?
Crazy, it was absolutely packed. Crazy, it was absolutely packed.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
Sure, just a second. Sure, just a second.
What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately?
I've been taking it easy. I've been taking it easy.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I'm not feeling so good. I'm not feeling so good.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Just water for me. Just water for me.
Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine, thanks. Yes, everything's fine, thanks.